Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to get a transcript on Vimeo video. In this guide, we're going to break things down in a simple and easy to follow way so you can quickly access transcripts whenever you need them. Now, transcripts can be really useful whether you're trying to better understand a video, take notes, or even reuse content for something else. A lot of people don't realize that this feature exists or don't know exactly where to find it, so that's exactly what we're going to clear up in this video. I'll walk you through everything in a beginner-friendly way, so even if you've never used Vimeo like this before, you'll be able to follow along without any trouble. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and what to do. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Vimeo dashboard, where all your uploaded videos and content are organized in one place. This is your main control center, so once you're here, you'll be able to easily find what you're looking for. Next, locate and open the specific video that you want to work on. Just click on it, and it will take you into that video's dedicated settings and editing area. After that, a new screen will appear where you can manage and edit different aspects of your video. This is where most of the important tools are located, so take a second to get familiar with the layout. Now, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the option labeled Editing. This will open up more detailed editing features for your video. Once you do that, another panel will appear. From here, click on Video Editor to launch the full editing interface. Your video will then open in a new tab along with several editing tools that allow you to adjust and manage different elements of your content. This is where you can really start interacting with your video. From here, move your attention to the bottom section of the editor and look for the option labeled Transcript. Go ahead and click on it. Finally, on the right-hand side, you'll see the transcript of your video appear. This transcript shows everything spoken in the video, written out word for word, making it easy to read, review, or use for notes. And that's pretty much how you can get a transcript from your Vimeo video. As you can see, it's a simple process once you know exactly where to look. And it can be really helpful for things like reviewing content, creating captions, or even repurposing your video into written format. Taking advantage of features like this can save you a lot of time, especially if you're working with longer videos or need to quickly grab specific parts of what was said. It also makes your content more accessible, which is always a great bonus. So feel free to go back, try it out yourself, and get comfortable using the transcript feature. The more you use it, the easier it becomes to navigate and make the most out of it. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.